This morning, J Ladner broke it all down. Contrast, coverage, sectioning, saturation, every single detail that separates good color work from exceptional color work. And now, our students are putting all of that into practice with 2 hours on the clock. You can feel the energy in this room. Everyone's locked in. This morning was about understanding why we do what we do, why we mix Lightener with the brush instead of a whisk, to break down those crystallized components efficiently so you can actually achieve those high levels of lift, why your foil size matters, because when you're working with longer, wider sections for a high-impact contrast result, a 5-inch foil just isn't going to cut it. You need that 8x10. Why we load the Lightener generously on the smoother side of the foil to keep it wet longer. Why we stay firm, stay parallel, and commit to every stroke. And now, you're watching all of those lessons come to life. Each student chose their path, contrast or coverage, and they're formulating, applying, and making creative decisions on their own. Some are going bold. Some are refining their precision. And that's the beauty of this. There's no single right answer. It's about building confidence in your technique and trusting your hands to do what your eyes can see. And honestly, this is where the Chantal mannequin from Hair Art really shines. She doesn't flinch. She doesn't talk back. She lets you experiment without any pressure, and that is everything when you're developing your skills. The hair quality on these mannequins gives our students a realistic canvas to work on. Real feedback on saturation, on placement, on how the Lightener processes. You can't get that from a practice board. Chantal lets you make mistakes, learn from them, and go again. That's how you grow behind the chair. So right now, it's their time. Formulating, glossing, creating, having fun with it. And by the end of today, every single person in this room is walking out sharper than when they walked in.